In this video you are going to see how to change your photo from this to this and from this to this. So let's get started. The name of the effect is called Fisheye effect, which is already enabled in all the DSLR cameras. If you are using any old DSLR camera, I am not sure about it. But for me, I am using Canon 200D Mark II camera. To enable this feature, head over to the camera section and there you will find this interface. Just click on the Q button, which is topmost right side. There you can see a lot of options on the screen. But don't panic guys. Head over to the picture effect panel, which is nothing but in some cameras it shows FX, in some cameras it is something different, but this is the option you need to click on. Then you will find lot of options are there in below. Just tap on each and every item. There you can find fisheye effect. For me it is the fisheye effect. Just tap on the fisheye effect and that's all. You need to go back to the main camera section. That's all, your setting is on. Now click your photos like this to this. That is the overall video guys, and a lot of you guys have already know about it. Some of the people who doesn't know, for them it is helpful a lot. If this video make you helpful, a like from you is really appreciating me, and also a subscribe is incredible. As usual, my name is Raj, you're watching Tech Bunny, and I will catch you soon in the next video with a new interesting one. See you soon, take care.